welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Monkey in the Backrooms. Will not be able to buy.
Yo,
Yep,
what's up, bro?
confirmed you can't buy.
Even though you locked it, I'm back.
Please create a name. On your left hand, press X. Names. 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 Now let me just put my default name in.
Water, look at me.
God.
Water.
God, Zero.
How's that humanly possible?
Firesoft has to make this less confusing.
You ready?
I'll just have my name as S.
Bro, I'm OP, dude. I'm OP. Watch this. Okay, I can make this happen. I can make this happen.
Oh my god. That is a lot of dead bodies.
How do you do
Don't worry, buddy. You'll be fine.
You ready? Oh crap.
He just disappeared.
How do you do that?
Help me.
How do you do that?
Oh my god. What are you guys yapping about?
Oh my god! Stop being a bully, friend. Friend.
What are you guys yapping about? Oh! Oh my god! These are some monkeys in the back rooms.
You killed the soul.
Oh! What?
Oh my god, that monster's fast.
Close it!
Oh, you're fatties in the
You
way.
can't even move it.
Why is there so many dead bodies? Oh my god!
Yeah! Back! Yeah! What is bro doing? What bro doing? I must.
Oh god!
That's your problem. How are you guys not dead? Oh, there he goes.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. Go!
Oh my god! What? You got something in there. You got something in there.
What?
Everyone run as slow as you can. The monster runs slow too.
Go! Go!
There's no way, bro. How's that possible?
He's running! Tyrone, no! You're gonna die! controller.
Okay, that is so out of control. That is so out of control. No, that's what. Get over there.
Die. Are you not dead? Monkey in the back room.
Run slow.
Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Huh.
Bro, I just lost my controller. Did you know that if you walk...
Let me just...
Did you know that if you walk slowly, the monster goes slower?
I'm more important than you are. Get out of my way. I'm more important.
Do we really have to spend all our time pacing after the monster?
This is crazy. No.
Ugh! Brother, ooh! By the way, this game is made by the same people who made Fun Monkey Horror 2. So shout out to Zio and the Firesoft team.
I'm gonna turn on my...
Hi guys. Tyrone, run for your life!
What is that?
Firesoft.
He just died.
I suppose we must. How are you not dead?
Kill him!
He has no name.
How? Kill him! Kill him! Not
There he goes. Tyrone, run! Do the dead bodies ever despawn? Microsoft. Oh my god. I think I may have various health concerns. Alright, I'm gonna try and edit my name while running for my fucking life. Alright. Backspace. Customize.
What you looking for? You know what you looking for.
Oh!
Oh my god! I died over that. Okay, I died.
Oh.
Level one.
Yeah, there's only one level. How does it feel? How does it feel having one?
This is my first time playing this game, so I don't know how to feel on this one. Wait, what?
Michael, let
Wait,
me
what
in.
just happened?
I just did
Oh,
this.
Michael, oh, but that is
Michael,
fun.
take it
Hey,
in.
hey, come here.
Yeah, this is
Alright, come on.
Got killed. Look at this door. No, let me in.
Oh! Oh! Time to edit my name while running. I see you there, buddy.
I'm gonna shoot the entity out. Oh! I'm gonna shoot the entity.
No!
Go to the end. Hold on, let me turn it and then
Where is the exit?
Open the door.
No, we're good.
There you go, Coco.
God, I could just run. God, I could just fucking walk, and I'd still manage to escape. I am walking and can still escape from this thing. Or like speed walking. God, they need more monsters. Dude, I'm gonna do this one-handed. Oh my god, what does that say? You should not be here. Yeah, pretty fucking obvious. Yeah, that's pretty fucking obvious. How we should not be here. Oh my god, one-handed is a bit harder. Dude, I can run from this guy for hours on end. If you see this, you're a beta. No! Oh fuck, I'm gonna have to juke. Go, go, go! Fuck. I thought I lost him.
How did I? Oh.
You guys are not
Oh,
gonna see
I'm
the
sorry,
monster
Dr.
for a
Atkins,
while.
Why? Why?
I let it out far.
Thanks, actually.
Find the exit. Is there really even an exit? Backyard, woo. That'll be the end of today's video. Look at all the dead bodies. Actually, today's second video. So, bye-bye.